How to fix Epic Games Launcher LS-0013, game is unable to launch. If you see this error code, follow the steps below to verify your game files. If you still see this error after you've verified your game files, it is likely that you're trying to play a version of the game that is no longer available, such as a press, beta, or alpha version. If this is the case, confirm the version of the game you own is still available to play. Verify the game files. Verifying your game files ensures your game is installed and updated properly. To verify your game files, 1. Open the Epic Games Launcher. 2. Click Library. 3. Click the three dots next to the game you want to verify. 4. Click Verify. Depending on the size of the game, this process may take a while. Once it's done, relaunch your game. Games using another launcher in addition to the Epic Games Launcher. If you receive this error with a game that uses another launcher to run, i.e. Rockstar Game Services, Uplay, do the following. 1. Right-click the shortcut for the non-Epic Games Launcher, i.e. Uplay, and then click Run as Administrator. 2. Right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut, and then click on Run as Administrator. 3. Click Library in the Epic Games Launcher. 4. Launch the game you want to play. Confirm the version of the game you own is still available to play. Some game developers release alpha or beta versions of their game that you can play prior to the release of the full game. Contact the game developer support team to find out whether the game you own is still available to play. Fortnite, disable administrator privileges. Disabling administrator privileges on all of Fortnite's executables may resolve this error code. Here are the steps on how to do this. 1. Navigate to Fortnite's executables, default location, /program files /epic games /Fortnite game /binaries /win64. 2. For each of the following executable files, right-click on them and select Properties. Fortnite client win64 shipping.exe. Fortnite client win64 shipping_b.exe. Fortnite client win64 shipping_eac.exe. Fortnite launcher.exe. 3. Click on the Compatibility tab. 4. Uncheck the box next to run this program as an administrator. 5. Click on Apply. 6. Relaunch Fortnite.